Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil, and I'm going to show around this automatic 208 in the Allure specification. So this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, the touchscreen has DAB digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's also cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car has the automatic 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. It's done under 17,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. Thank you.